This video shows you how to do a factory restore on a SoundStation IP 7000. First, record the serial number from the back of the phone. You will need this later. Next, unplug the Power over Ethernet cable. Then, plug it back in. When you see a screen that says Loading Application, press the key on the far right under Cancel. A countdown will begin. Hold down the 1, 3, 5, and 7 keys simultaneously. The device prompts you for a password. Enter in the serial number you recorded earlier. To switch between letters and numbers, use the selection key second from the left. As you press it, notice that the item above it changes. The character to the left of the arrow is the typing mode. This should be a 1 to type numbers, and a capital A to type letters. Do not enter the serial number letters using the lowercase typing mode. Press OK when finished. The restore begins. During the restore, the screen may flash the time and date, then reboot a second time. The restore has finished when the device displays the idle screen. This concludes the tutorial.